Hey, it's Jen from Only One Carry-On. I'm going to show you the Sheraton Grand Taipei parent-child room. This is a room that you can't book on the main Marriott website. It's a super cool room. If you're interested, check out the blog post and the description below for more details on how to book this room. This room has lots of storage. It has a coffee area with an espresso machine and a mini fridge. In the bathroom, there's a separate tub and shower and a Toto bidet toilet seat. They also have a step stool to help little kids get to the sink for brushing their teeth. They have child-size amenities, including child-size robes. There's a little kid table with books. There are plushies that the kids can play with. There are lots of toys for various aged children. One of the coolest things about this room is there's a lofted bed with a slide. There's stairs that go up to the top. There's a border all the way around the bed except for right where the slide is and where the stairs are. And then underneath there is a mat, like a tumbling mat. We stayed in this room with our twin boys who were 9 years old at the time. The lofted bed was plenty big for one child to sleep in, but it definitely was not big enough for two 9-year-olds to sleep in. We ended up creating a secondary bed underneath the loft and kind of created a little cave for the second child. The room does sleep 4. I think they anticipate having a child sleep on the bed with a parent if there's more than one kid, or having a crib rolled in for a much younger child. These child-themed rooms are on a child-specific floor. There is a kids club area. You are supposed to go with your children to the club. We managed once to drop them off and go up to the adult club lounge and then came back to pick our kids up. The next day we tried the same thing and the staff was like, no, you can't do that. So know that the rules may be different depending who's working. We really enjoyed our stay at the Sheraton Grand Taipei. Thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, please hit subscribe, drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out the blog post with more information on this room and how to book it.